There are many functions related to dates in Excel. This is one of the several videos on date functions that I have on this channel. In this video, we will look at the date and today functions. In addition to that, we will also look at simple mathematical operations on dates. In the first example, we will find the difference between two dates. We have two different dates in the cells B1 and B2. To calculate the difference, we will write a simple expression B2 minus B1. We get the result as 152. This result is the difference and is not inclusive of the start date. To explain that better, let me change the end date to 2nd March. The difference is 1, therefore not inclusive of the first date. If you want to count this as 2 days, you will need to change the formula to B2 minus B1 plus 1. Both the representations have distinct uses and you will use them as per your needs. Let's look at our next date operation. An often used date calculation is subtracting a date from today's date or adding a number of days to today's date. Some common use cases are loan or invoice aging, warranty date calculations, etc. In such calculations, the function that is very useful is the today function. Today returns today's date. So for example, if I write today in the cell B5, it returns today's date. Be careful while using this function because if you save this file and open it on another day, the function will return a different date. That is the date when you open the file. Therefore, it is best used for calculating aging or gap to a date in future. Another useful function is the date function. It takes 3 inputs: year, month and date. In this example, I will provide the value as 2024 for the year, 10 for the month and 31 for the day. I get the date as 31st October 24. Let's look at some application of both the today and the date function. In the cell B9, we need to display the difference of the date in the cell B8, that is 1st March 24 from today. So the formula would be today minus B8. And similarly, for the cell B10, we will create today's date using the date function and calculate the difference. Date, year is 2024, month is 10 and date is 23. Minus the date in the cell B8. The result for both the functions is the same. However, in case you open this file on any other date, the result will be different as the value of today function will change each day. So that's it for the date functions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.